Hello friends, welcome to Uma's Kitchen. Today we are going to make a recipe which is very well known especially during the days of fast or vrat, tapioca or sabudana khichdi. It is a very easy recipe, but the only tricky part is soaking the tapioca or sabudana in a correct way. This khichdi is considered well made only if it is dry, not soggy but still very soft to eat. Also you can cook it in a microwave or on a stove. So first the ingredients. Tapioca pearls 1.5 cups. First we have to thoroughly wash this tapioca in water and then soak it for at least 2 to 3 hours and then assemble the rest of the ingredients. Once the tapioca is soaked and ready, then you will need all these ingredients. Roasted peanut powder 1.5 cups, oil or ghee 4 teaspoon, cumin seeds 1 teaspoon, finely crushed green chilies about 2 to 3 or by taste, salt by taste, sugar 2 teaspoon and 1 big potato cut into thin slices. First we are going to thoroughly wash this tapioca in water. Wash it nicely and remove all the water. And now I am going to wash one more time and again drain out all the water. Now we have to add more water to this tapioca for soaking it. And the quantity of water should be such that a thin layer of water is left above the tapioca pearls. Only then it will get nicely soaked and the khichdi would still be very soft without getting soggy. Here you can see the exact level of water that I have added. It is slightly above the tapioca pearls. Now we are going to cover it and allow it to soak for at least 2 to 3 hours. After about 3 hours, let us turn it once and check it out. You can see all the water has been absorbed. The tapioca pearls have nicely puffed up. They are soft but not soggy at all. To this, let us add the peanut powder, green chilies, salt and sugar. Now let us mix everything and then keep it aside for some time. Now heat oil in a thick bottomed pan and add cumin seeds. Once they sizzle, add all the sliced potato. Stir fry the potato for 1 or 2 minutes and then we are going to cover it and allow the potato to cook completely. After cooking on low flame for about 3-4 minutes, you can see that this potato is nice and soft now and perfectly cooked. So to this, we are now going to add the tapioca mixture that we already prepared. Now mix everything again. Now cover it, keep the flame on low and allow it to cook for at least 10 to 15 minutes without forgetting to turn after every 5 minutes. Instead of a pan, you can also put the khichdi in a microwave safe bowl, cover it and cook it in a microwave. The advantage of cooking in a microwave is that if your pan or kadhai is not enough thick bottomed or you miss turning it in between, or if the flame is not low enough when cooking, then your khichdi can get burnt at the bottom. But this won't happen in a microwave. So you can use whichever way is convenient for you. You can cook either in a microwave or in a pan. After about 15 minutes of cooking on a very low flame and turning after every 5 minutes, you can see that the color of the tapioca has changed a little. It has become slightly brownish in color and our sabudana khichdi looks perfectly done, not at all soggy but dry and soft. So I am going to turn off the gas now. If you like, you can add some fresh grated coconut and finely chopped coriander leaves as garnishing and serve this yummy delicious khichdi along with sweet lemon pickle, some yogurt or with some buttermilk. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy making this wonderful recipe at home and don't forget to post your questions and comments. Thank you.